it. So my dad brought home this this PVC pipe contraption that can shoot a pop bottle. So we're gonna test this thing out, see what we can do with this. 2, 1. You can't see. Alright, it just landed now. It went backwards. Oh, that's a take.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, we're back. This time, put the trampoline on its side, and we're going to use it as a target. I'm going to shoot the pop bottle into the trampoline. 1. It went over!
Yeah.
Missed.
Wait, we missed?
Alright, we missed on the first try, so we're going to try again. Hit the trampoline, pop bottle. 1.
Oh!
You missed!
Oh!
Another miss!
Where did it go?
It went over.
What?
You guys should wear that.
Are you serious?
1. Yeah!
1. Oh, that wasn't even good.
1.
Oh, that went high.
Sure when you take it off. Oh. Stop. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Perfect. Catch it.
Oh, come on.
Remember Fred?
Yeah.
Rickshaw. Dude, are you serious? I'm the one that normally laughs. How can you not do this?
Okay.
Come on, just focus. Ready?
I'm bad at this.
We'll just start.
You just wasted 2 minutes of your life.
3.